Okay guys, I can't find anywhere to set my phone up at, but I'm going to show you what kind of problems I'm having. This is my deer feeder, and as you can see, something has done chewed through it, so when I go to put the corn in, it's just going to all pour out the side here. Mean shit. So, I didn't grab any duct tape with me. I did that shit up here too. I really need to buy a new one. Oh, that would have been bad. It was a wasp nest there. Woohoo! Anyway, glad I didn't get stung. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I got a dog bag. Dog food bag. And I'm gonna start it in there and start pouring the corn in there, and hopefully it'll just shoot it down to the bottom. Hold that in. I don't have ability to videotape it because I can't find anything to set my phone on, really, but I'll show you the result. Okay, so my theory worked. Took a little bit of adjusting, you know, get it all the way down there. Plus it doesn't come all the way to the top, but you see it does the trick. So hopefully that can kind of, you know, make it last a little bit longer until I can do better. Fucking my dumb ass out here wearing flip-flops. Corn all in my feet. Get out. But yeah, deer will be very happy. I still got another bag. I'm gonna put some in here. I think I'm gonna put some more, maybe right in there. My blind's gonna be way, let's see if I can find it. That tree. That straight tree right back there. I'd say it's about 50 yards. Better than what I've been doing. I've been doing about 20 yards. So it'll give me a good advantage, I think. I hate having deer just fucking come out and look at you first thing and you're just like, oh shit, gotta be still. Yeah. I'd rather be able to see them before they see me. And this is why I cut this path through here. Made it straight. Hopefully get a big one this year. I'm doing this all year long. See, if I can't get, you know, big boy in here. This is where this company come through and the power line, so they cut everything underneath it. I don't know why they left this one damn tree, but they did. Made a big mess back through here. That's Bill Club Road. Oh. I had to put this thing in positive lock. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Damn knot and fence down right there. God. It won't go. These people tore this shit up. That damn chainsaw monster. Look at that. Just be flat through here. Now I got ruts. It's like a chainsaw and a monster truck had a baby. Up, come on, get up there. But this is where my boyfriend hunts at. I've had some stuff I poured out last year during hunting season didn't really take any effect until now, and now that's all deer. We're doing that. It's crazy. I got a spot like this back at my spot. Where I use, here I use like this, the persimmon liquid stuff. And some powder stuff. I think it was mostly liquid stuff though. And back at my spot I use the Black Magic powder for deer cane. But yeah. It's just crazy. I never believed that they'd actually make a hole in the ground, but they do. I'm gonna start putting out some more. Maybe we'll get them this coming year.